Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. So ito po ang ating abstract figure. Discover the principle behind the rows and or columns of a 3x3 square image and determine which of the choices will fit in at the square with a question mark. A, B, C, or D. Okay. Minsan po pag meron tayong abstract figure, sometimes di naman talaga sa figure itself nako-concern. This is an example po kasi nga dito, if we're going to look at the rows and columns, let me use my pen po, wala pa tayong makikitang specific principle. From here, we have all these 5 dots of a dice, and we have these 2 here. Let's try to think bakit 4 na nandito. And let's do the same thing here. We have 3 dots and 1, and we have here 2. Now dito, pwede sabihin na nagsasubtract pa tayo. So for example, yung 3 dots, tatanggalan ng yung isang dot sa gitna, may 2 dito. That's good. Pero pag i-apply natin sa taas, it should happen that this would be deleted and this as well. Bakit 4 pa rin dito? Okay, so that principle is not possible here. So di yan ma-apply dito sa last kasi nga wala ding masasubtract dito. Okay? So let's look at our column. Column, column, column. We have here these 5 dots. Okay? These 5 dots here. And we have these 3 dots here. Now, look into this. Kapag isasubtract din natin, tatanggalin to, kasi these are the common here. Tama, 2 yung natitira. However, the same thing will not be applied here. Kasi nga po, when you look into this, wala na, if we have these 2 dots, tatanggalan na sa gitna, bakit yung isang dot pa rin sa gitna yung sagot? So that principle again is not possible here. So when you look into this, there's no specific principle for the rows and columns in terms of the figure itself. However, hear this. Pwede gamitin yung number of dots. Dito, we have 5 dots. I'm talking about the column, okay? Here, we have 3 dots. 5 minus 3, you have 2 dots here. Tingnan natin kung yun din po ang magagamit sa pangalawa. We have 2 dots here, minus 1. So may isa din dito. Since that principle fits those 2 columns, automatically, yan din po ang gagawin natin sa last column natin. We have 4 minus 2. So yung sagot dito is a image with 2 dots. And from here, yung tamang sagot po natin is yung, highlighter, letter C. Okay? This is because it fits the criteria of the column. Now, looking at our rows, using these numbers, di naman siya ma-fit kasi 5 minus 2 is 4, 3 minus 1 pwede dito, pero yung una talaga, di pwedeng magamit yung subtraction. So, ito po yung example na di masyadong makita yung principle by the figures, but if you're going to count, pwedeng magamit natin. Okay? So, ito po yung tamang sagot. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!